Hello guys. Violet color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, brown color, dark blue color, sky blue color, dark green color, orange color. Today we'll learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for king. L for lollipop. M for monkey. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for pen. Q for question. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, dark blue color, light green color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, violet color, brown color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval, rhombus. Triangle. Red color. triangle, square, yellow color, square, circle, orange color, circle, hexagon, sky blue color, hexagon, star, purple color, star, pentagon, light green color, pentagon, heart, dark blue color, heart, oval, violet color, brown color, rhombus, rhombus, triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon, heart, oval, rhombus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.